Universal Design for Learning. Welcome to a short video on Universal Design for Learning. Universal Design for Learning, called UDL for short, is an educational approach that makes learning accessible and effective for all students, regardless of their abilities, backgrounds, or learning styles. UDL provides a framework for creating flexible and inclusive learning environments that accommodate diverse learners. It is based on the idea that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to learning. The concept comes from an architect in the 1980s who wanted to design buildings to accommodate everyone who uses them. Consider a building with many steps and a heavy door at the top. Who would have a difficult time entering the building? Many people might, for example, someone in a wheelchair or who was carrying a heavy package. Universal Design for Learning asks instructors to build classes that assist all students in learning. UDL has 3 key areas to keep in mind when you are designing lessons for students. Let's look at those 3. The first area is multiple means of representation. Students need information presented to them in varied ways, such as words, images, and graphics, audio, and through hands-on activities. In an online session, visual learners can benefit from instructional videos, infographics, and interactive diagrams that illustrate key concepts and processes. If possible, provide the ability to make text, images, graphics, and tables larger and adjust the rate of speed on videos. Offer transcripts and closed captions when you have a video lecture. This will allow someone with poor internet connection or cognitive processing issues to understand the material. Textual representations, such as written explanations, articles, and discussion forum prompts, can support learners who prefer reading and writing as a means of understanding and engaging with course content. During in-person sessions of blended learning, instructors can incorporate multiple modes of representation to reinforce concepts and promote active learning. Hands-on demonstrations, experiments, and activities where students can move provide kinesthetic learners with opportunities to engage physically with course material, deepening their understanding through tactile experiences. Visual aids such as slides, models, and real-world examples can help students visualize complex ideas and make connections between abstract concepts and concrete applications. Verbal explanations, class discussions, and student presentations can cater to auditory learners and facilitate the exchange of ideas and perspectives among students, fostering a collaborative learning environment. The second part of Universal Design for Learning is multiple means of action and expression. Just like students need to learn information in varied ways, they also need to demonstrate that they learned in different ways. Allow students to show that they have learned in multiple ways such as writing, presenting, drawing, making videos, and more. Blended classes and technology make this easier than ever. Allow students to choose the types of practice activities, the layout or design of how they format their work, or the sequence of tasks. For the online session, students can create video presentations, digital portfolios, and collaborative projects using various online tools and platforms. In-class activities such as poster presentations, role-playing, hands-on demonstrations, and structured debates provide students with opportunities to showcase their knowledge and skills. The third element of Universal Design for Learning is multiple means of engagement. Multiple means of engagement refers to providing students with various ways to actively participate in learning and maintain motivation. It can be difficult for some students to stay engaged, so UDL encourages teachers to provide choices and adapt the learning materials to better match their students' interests. Blended classes can increase engagement by offering choices, fostering collaboration, and creating a supportive learning environment that considers learners' interests, preferences, and abilities. In the online component, provide choice in learning activities, such as allowing students to select topics for research projects or offering a variety of multimedia resources. During face-to-face sessions, promote collaboration, facilitate discussions, and provide opportunities for peer feedback and support. Universal Design for Learning is a powerful framework that enables educators to create inclusive and accessible learning environments for all students, regardless of their diverse needs and abilities. By incorporating multiple means of representation, action and expression, and engagement in both online and in-person components of blended courses, instructors can ensure that every learner has an equal opportunity to succeed and thrive in their educational journey.